In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $300 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro Graphics Tablet. The XPPen Pen Tablet Monitor is a feature-rich digital drawing device suitable for artists, designers, and creative professionals. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a 13.3-inch diagonal screen size, this tablet monitor offers a high-definition display for detailed work. Boasting 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, it provides precise and responsive drawing capabilities. Made of ABS material and originating from mainland China under the XPPen brand, this tablet monitor is certified with CE, EAC, FCC, RoHS, and KC standards, ensuring quality and compliance. With dimensions of 390.4 mm, L, x 249.98 mm, W, x 12.9 mm, H, and an active area of 293.76 mm, H, x 165.24 mm, V, it offers ample space for creative expression. Equipped with an P05R battery-free pen, 88% NTSC color gamut, 8 shortcut keys, and a roller wheel for enhanced functionality, this tablet monitor delivers a seamless drawing experience. Featuring a pixel pitch of 0.153 x 0.153 mm, a tilt recognition of 60 degrees, and AG glass film with full lamination technology, it ensures clear and precise drawing results. With a low power consumption of 10 W and current consumption of 2A, the XPPen Pen Tablet Monitor is an energy-efficient and reliable tool for digital art and design tasks. Number 2. Artisul D22S Graphic Tablet. The Artisul Pen Tablet Monitor is a high-performance digital drawing device ideal for artists, designers, and creative professionals. Featuring a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a 21.5-inch diagonal screen size, this tablet monitor offers a large and detailed display for immersive creative work. With 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, it provides precise and responsive drawing capabilities. Made in mainland China under the Artisul brand, this tablet monitor is certified with CE, FCC, PSE, and WEE standards, ensuring quality and compliance. Measuring 517 x 323 by 37 mm in dimension, and offering an active area of 476.64 x 268.11 mm, it provides ample space for artistic expression. Equipped with battery-free electromagnetic resonance pen technology, 76% Adobe RGB color gamut, IPS LCD type, and a contrast ratio of 1000. This tablet monitor delivers vibrant and accurate colors. With a brightness of 250 CD per square meter, 16.7 million display colors, and a report rate of 233 pps, it offers a smooth and seamless drawing experience. Supporting Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.11 or later, the Artisul Pen Tablet Monitor is compatible with a range of operating systems. Weighing 3.7 kilograms and featuring an AG glass film, HDMI/DVI/VGA video interface, and a P59 digital pen, this tablet monitor is a versatile and reliable tool for digital art and design tasks. Number 3. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Pen Tablet Monitor is a versatile digital drawing tool designed for artists, designers, and creative professionals. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a 15.6-inch diagonal screen size, this tablet monitor offers a high-definition display for detailed and immersive work. Featuring 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, it provides precise and responsive drawing capabilities. Made in mainland China under the XPPen brand, this tablet monitor is certified with CE, EAC, FCC, and KC standards, ensuring quality and reliability. Measuring 443 mm in length and 280 mm in width, it offers a compact yet spacious drawing area for creative expression. Equipped with a USB interface, 8 shortcut keys, 1 roller wheel, and a battery-free stylus pen with 60 degrees of tilt recognition, this tablet monitor enhances workflow efficiency and creative control. With a sleek design in black plus red dial color, AG glass film, and full lamination technology, it delivers a premium drawing experience. Compatible with Windows 7 and Mac OS X 10.10 or later, the XPPen pen tablet monitor is a versatile and user-friendly device for digital art and design tasks. Number 4. GAOMON PD 1161 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON pen tablet monitor is a high-quality digital drawing device suitable for artists, designers, and creative professionals. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and an 11.5-inch diagonal screen size, this tablet monitor offers a sharp and vibrant display for detailed artwork. Featuring 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, it provides precise and sensitive drawing capabilities. Manufactured in mainland China under the GAOMON brand and certified with CE and EAC standards, this tablet monitor ensures quality and reliability. Measuring 361.6 mm in length, 200 mm in width, and 13 mm in thickness, it offers a compact and portable design for convenient use. Constructed with IPS material, this tablet monitor delivers excellent color accuracy and viewing angles. With a USB interface, a report rate of 266 pps, and compatibility with Windows 7 or later, and Mac OS 10.12 or later, the GAOMON pen tablet monitor provides a seamless and efficient drawing experience. The device comes with a digital pen Art Paint AP50, a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080, 16:9, an active area of 256.32 x 144.18 mm, and is designed to enhance creativity and productivity in digital art and design projects. Number 5. GAOMON PD 1561 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON pen tablet monitor is a premium digital drawing tool suitable for artists, designers, and creative professionals. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a 15.6-inch diagonal screen size, this tablet monitor offers a high-definition display for detailed and immersive artwork. Featuring 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, it provides precise and responsive drawing capabilities. Made in mainland China under the GAOMON brand and certified with CE standards, this tablet monitor ensures quality and reliability. Measuring 452.4 mm in length, 252 mm in width, and weighing 1.58 kilograms, it offers a spacious yet lightweight design for comfortable use. Constructed with IPS material, this tablet monitor delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles for an enhanced drawing experience. With a USB interface, a report rate of 233 pps, and compatibility with Windows July 8th 10 or later, and Mac OS 10. December 13th 14 or later, the GAOMON pen tablet monitor provides seamless integration with various operating systems. Featuring a reading height of 10 mm, this tablet monitor offers precise and natural pen input for digital art and design tasks, making it a versatile and reliable tool for creative projects.